Thousands embark on the spiritual journey to pay respects to the birthplace of Sikh spiritual leader Guru Nanak Dev in Nankana Sahib every year. One Malaysian Sikh family decided to finally follow their hearts this year.
Experiencing everything here, seeing the local people, how the culture, the tradition, coming here, the birthplace of Guru Nanak, it's a blessing, and I'm so honored to be here actually.
Jagdish Kaur and her younger brother are practicing Sikhs but don't speak their mother tongue Punjabi. Daughter of a commercial pilot in Kuala Lumpur and a lawyer, part of the reason why Jagdish and her brother were brought to Pakistan is to help them understand the Sikh culture and their roots.
I think the celebration has been pretty good. Basically, it's the Path, and then we have Kirtan and Prachad. And despite anything, it would have been the same anyway. It's just the environment and the people that we meet here is different from back home.
And the children agree that they have had a great time.
Especially the Pakistanis here, the people, the Sinds, the Pashtuns, the Sikhs, the Punjabis, all of them, they went all out to make this a memorable one. And everyone has been giving their best. They've been doing a lot of seva. They've been pumping in money so that the langar will be there for everyone to have.
Be it Afghanistan or the UK, Sikhs, Sangats or groups have managed to complete this once-in-a-lifetime experience by visiting 7 Gurdwaras in Nankana Sahib and others in Hassan Abdal.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ, यूके ਦੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
हम गुरु नानक देव जी के बर्थडे पहली बार आई है। हमको यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारे बहन भाई की तरह हमको कोई ऐसा महसूस नहीं हुआ हम दूसरी कंट्री में आए हैं।
Jagdish's father, Captain Bir Singh, who organized this trip with a group of 35 Malaysian Sikhs, says that so far the experience has been just right.
Very welcoming, warm welcome by all parties, right from the time we landed in Islamabad and then on to Lahore, and here we are. Wonderful, beautiful weather, lovely people, very warm people, and very forthcoming.
Security restrictions have made people adjust to changes in the traditions of some rituals, but the spirit of Sikh devotees refuses to give up.
This is the fourth year when the main procession, which is one of the most important rituals of the 3-day celebrations of Guru Nanak birth anniversary, has not been taken out of the Gurdwara vicinity, all because of the security concerns. But the pilgrims say that they are determined to celebrate regardless of these obstacles. Rabia Mahmood, Express 24/7, Nankana Sahib.